Hey guys, we got Clay modeling our Holly Jolly Christmas blanket. And it's got
sparklies in it.
sparklies in it. It's a zigzag pattern, which I will leave in the description below so you can make it yourself. But see the little sparkles? It kind of gives it a little bit of a zing. It only took 2 skeins of Super Saver yarn and 1 skein of the sparkly one, which I don't know the name of it, but all of this is at Walmart, and it's Red Heart, which I know some people don't like Red Heart, but I love it. I think it works good for me. And then I also made an ear warmer to go with it, so if I snuggle under my Christmas blanket, this is single stitch and double crochet, just to give it a little bit of zing. And that you can use it as a cowl too, which I use it for both, and put it over my ears if I get cold. But what do you think, Clay? Give me your thoughts on this blanket.
It's warm, but at least it doesn't have the big holes. Well, it has some holes in it.
Yeah, that's to give the zigzag pattern.
I don't like the ones where your toes get caught in the holes. But that's fine. I don't have to wear it. I like the solid stitches.
And you can look at that blanket. It's online. It's Harvest Autumn blanket. I have that one up too. And it's very long. I mean, I'll show all the way down to his feet. So you can see with 2 super savers, it was a very long blanket.
Well, it still stretches up a little bit.
Yeah.
Too,
so it's nice and cozy. It's perfect for your sofa or for a Christmas gift for somebody.
Or just covering up in the chair when it's a chilly night and you're watching television.
Exactly. It's just really cute. And then, like I said, if you have extra yarn like I did, you can make a cowl and or not. So there you go. And all this yarn is at Walmart right now in case you decide to make one. Okay. And I didn't do any specific like count. I just kind of randomly made the sparkles in it just as I went along. And that was only 1 skein of that. So remember, Clay.
Big or small, you too can be a backyard farm.
Okay, God bless.